Goal setting is not just self-leadership. Self-leadership is about helping you understand how to talk to yourself when you achieve a goal and not achieve a goal. It helps you understand how to reward yourself and how to punish yourself when you don't achieve goals and what those goals should be. It teaches you about seeking feedback from others so that you can lead yourself, because the most important part is that you got to be, and I'm going to say it, you got to be pretty on the inside before you can be pretty on the outside. And if any one of you has ever gotten an email from me, you'll see that underneath my signature it says, first learn to lead oneself and then attempt to lead others. Because if you are not the symbol from which a person you are trying to lead can look to for the modeling of behavior, how are they to judge the effectiveness of their own behavior? What is the benchmark from which they are to judge themselves? You are the benchmark. And if you are in shambles, then they will be in shambles. If you are orderly, they will be orderly. So self-leadership talks to you about getting your own self in order first.